Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am pleased to say that Kloverbox has once again seen fit to send me a box, which is so totally awesome. I really appreciate that you're still sending me these boxes. So anyway, this is what I saw when I opened the box. I do look at spoilers, so I was kind of hoping that I'd still be on the PR list for them for the what they sent. So anyway, I do want to also mention again, they use We Care packaging, which is all completely recycled. The curly cues in here, they're so pretty. I will reuse those in a package for sure. So that'll be reused. I don't know if they're made of recycled fibers or not. So anyway, this is the January box. Now that it's almost the end, it is actually near the end of January. In fact, today is Sunday, and on Wednesday is the last day of January. So I figured I better hurry up and get this out. I already see a brand that I really like, Derma E. So let's see what we got here. There's also a bottle of something. I don't know what that is. I did not undress all this stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to pull out the first most obvious thing, and that is, oh, it's an overnight peel. Peels scare the crap out of me, but I know that they are like the best way to get your best skin to show. Alright, so that is that, and there's something soft in here. Ooh. It's wrapped up. I think it might be some kind of oil product. I'm not sure. So let's see if I can just slide it out. Yes. Okay. And this is Cucumber Martini Eye Serum. I'll read about that when I get to the card. And there's, oh, what a cute little brush. I wonder what this is for. Little brush. A big bottle of something. Endless Organic something I can't read, but it's age defying, I think I made out. So those are the 4 things in here. Instructions for use on something. Oh, it's a pore brush. Huh. Okay. So here are the products. They look nice and pretty before I totally disassemble the box and put everything away in drawers and on my vanity for use. And let's see. Time for the ugly old glasses I'll be wearing for moo pretty soon. Anyway, here's the card. And let's see, the first thing, CoQ10 Age Defying Lotion. Oh. From Timeless Organic Skincare. I love seeing that bunny. It just makes me happy. Okay, so it is Leaping Bunny certified then. This is Timeless Organic Skincare CoQ10 Age Defying Lotion. Let me hold this so you can see it a little bit better. And I know from all the literature that I've read that CoQ10 is good for your skin. It's good for a lot of things, so a lot of people take it as a vitamin as well. It says this is called Miracle in a Bottle, a signature lotion that will reverse the clock. Whether you are trying to maintain young skin, blah blah, or reclaim young skin. I could use a little reclaiming young skin action here. I'm actually really excited to try this. This is 4 ounces, so it's huge. It's like much bigger than your average moisturizer. I might, like, if I fall in love with this, I would definitely buy it. The price for this is $19.99, which for 4 ounces of moisturizer is not bad at all. So I wonder what other stuff they have. See, this is how you learn about new products that you didn't know anything about. So I am like really excited about this. I can't try it right away, which kills me. So I will have to start trying that, I guess in like couple of weeks when I finish testing another product that I have to test. Alright, so Derma E Essentials 2 fluid ounce overnight peel. Okay, and what it says is, I can't read it with the light behind it, so we're gonna have to live with this. Reveal dramatically fresher, newer skin overnight with a skin brightening blend of glycolic, sugar, cane, and fruit acids. Skin renewing formula contains 5% alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, for safe, effective removal of dead skin, blah, 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 blah. I'm very anxious to try this because I really like Derma E products. Like, as a whole, everything I've ever tried from Derma E has been like a pleasure to use. And so, and I just ordered from Dermstore an oil from Derma E as well, a face oil. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that because I think that might actually like be something that'll work nicely on my skin. Alright, and so inside it says ethical beauty because you know it's cruelty free. Let's see what the bottle looks like. I'm not gonna squirt it on my hand just because I don't. He's playing with his wiggle waggle ball and it goes. That is my doggy playing with that. Anyway, he is a year old now. I love that this has an expiration date on the bottom. I really appreciate when the brands do that, and this expires in 2020. And it's just wake up glowing skin, skin brightening, blah blah, how to use. This is the thing that everybody wants to know. And that is apply generously to clean face before bed. Leave on overnight and rinse thoroughly. Even with the glasses I can't read. Rinse it in the morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, so that's probably pretty strong stuff. And of course, this is ethical beauty. We're committed to your health and well-being and the natural environment. That's why we make our ethical skincare. And it says cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free. That's big for people who are allergic to gluten. Soy-free, recyclable, and wind energy certified. So they used certificates. So they used, they're just basically like all around good people. This is good stuff. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. It's really, really, really interested in that. Okay, so the next thing is Cucumber Martini Eye Serum. My eyes have been so wrinkly looking and crepey looking, like when you smile and your makeup goes which happens to me every day. I've tried everything, but wrinkles are there and they're gonna show. So I'm hoping this eye serum is something that is gonna help me out. So this looks like an oil. And let's see, let me hold this up so you can actually see the bottle, and it says enzyme cucumber, wait a minute, Entize, that's the brand name. Cucumber Martini Eye Serum. Cucumber's really good for your skin anyway. So this is $14.99. I don't think I gave the price on the Derma E, which the Derma E product is very affordable, $18.75. Okay, so Cucumber Martini Eye Serum is instantly cooling rollerball, which helps massage away bags, hydrates puffy eyes, removes dark circles, prevents wrinkles, nourishes. Anyway, it's like touting itself to be a miracle, but you know what? I will try anything. Roll under eyes. Use your finger to smooth in any excess. 100% natural ingredients. Look how tiny this is. Seriously, it's really tiny. So I will probably get my magnifying glass out to really read this over. So I am pretty excited about this. This is $14.99 and it's by Entize. And if it works, then it's great. This is like such a fabulous box. Thank you so much. Next thing is this little brush, and this is Radical Organic Pore Cleansing Brush. It's this little brush. Let me see if I can squeeze it out just enough. Oh, it's got some fibers that are longer than others. Huh. I don't really have any like blackheads or whiteheads. Or anything that would like necessarily need this brush. This is $6. If you want flawless skin, invisible pores, and zero blackheads, this brush is the one to choose. The brush is made of the finest vegan cruelty-free bristles and a multi-level texture for the best cleaning of your pores ever. Use Raydorg's pore cleansing brush. Eliminates those pain in the nose blackheads. Okay, so $6. It's a really unusual thing. I will give that a try. Maybe I have something around my nose that needs a little work. Who knows? But I'll give that little brush a try for sure. So anyway, I pretty much love everything in this box. I don't know that I'll ever use the brush, but I'm pretty sure that everything else is like awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me see if I can just lay this out so you can actually see it. I'm really most excited. I'm really excited about all of it, I guess, because I'm very excited about the Derma E because I just want to see what it does for me. And this is a brand that I like that's cruelty-free. I'm really excited about the eye serum because it might actually help some of this stuff that's going on. The pore brush, not so much, but maybe it's a great thing. I might try using it around my nose, see if I have anything going on there that might take out. And this is the most, I think this might be the most exciting thing of all, and that's this CoQ10 moisturizer. The freaking bottle's huge. Great job, Kloverbox. If you've never subscribed to Kloverbox or you don't know very much about it, it is a subscription box that runs about $25 a month. It used to be $24.95. I'm not sure if it's $25 even. I think it might be. So you get usually four items, and they're full size. And occasionally you get a sample or a travel size, but my experience has been mostly full-size stuff. Like, as you can see, these are full-size, and the eye serum is also full-size, and clearly a brush. It's full-size. So sometimes you get these boxes that are like all great skincare, like this one. And sometimes you get, like I had 1 month where it was mostly home stuff, which was awesome. So there's a mixture of stuff, and the Kloverbox staff, they find things that they think that you'll be interested in, and then they send them out for you to test and try and see if you like them. I'm very happy that Kloverbox has chosen to keep me on the PR list. I hope they continue to. So I hope I'm going to be bringing these back to you. I do have a discount code. I asked them to give me a discount code for you guys. I don't get any kickback or anything like that. You know, so feel free to use it. I believe it's KB10, and that gets you 10% off your first box. So definitely all worth it. I just love this box. It's an awesome box. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the giant head. It's going to be somewhere in this picture. I think it shows up over here. Click the giant head, and that is a subscribe button. Or the little tiny head that you've been seeing in this video, little picture of me, that's also a subscribe button. So please do subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you give a thumbs up, it usually circulates the video a little bit further and wider, and so, you know, it'll show up on your Twitter feed if you have Twitter, and so on and so forth, and that gives it a little bit more traction and views. I really like this box, and I'm thrilled that I got it. Thank you very much, Kloverbox, and thank you for watching, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.